Is Bitcoin's price about to skyrocket? Billionaires are secretly loading up on Bitcoin. Here's why this could be the greatest opportunity you'll ever have. Stick around, because today we're revealing how Wall Street is quietly betting on Bitcoin's future, and why you might be missing out on a once-in-a-lifetime chance to get in before the big explosion. It's not a matter of if but when, and you'll want to be ready. Welcome back to Crypto and Assets. Today's video is one you absolutely can't miss. Billionaire investor, Grant Cardone, has just revealed some shocking insights into the future of Bitcoin. We're talking about a game-changing moment in the cryptocurrency space that could affect your investments like never before. Grant, one of the wealthiest entrepreneurs and investors in the world, shares how the ultra-wealthy are positioning themselves for the next big move in Bitcoin, and trust me, you don't want to be left behind. Now, what's going on in the world of Bitcoin? According to Grant Cardone, Bitcoin is much more than a digital asset, it's becoming a fundamental pillar in global finance. Grant openly talks about his own plans to buy thousands of Bitcoin, not just for his companies, but for his personal portfolio. And here's the kicker, his brother, after hearing Grant's plan, quickly decided to go even bigger and grab several thousand himself. This is exactly how the ultra-wealthy think. They're not just buying Bitcoin in small amounts, they're going all in. Grant believes that the current Bitcoin price is a massive opportunity, and he's not alone. Many billionaires have been quietly accumulating Bitcoin over the years, and now they're ready for the big payoff. It's no secret that Bitcoin has been the biggest front-running opportunity in history. But what's different now? We're seeing this play out in real time with institutional investors and billionaires jumping in faster than ever before. Grant's view on Bitcoin? It's a $2 trillion market, still tiny in comparison to the global financial giants. Even though Bitcoin is a relatively small asset class right now, it's just getting started. Grant believes we're in the early stages, and if you understand the psychology of billionaires, this is when the big moves are made. Grant further emphasizes that we're witnessing the beginning of something massive. The market may feel like it's settled for now, but the growth we're about to see is unlike anything we've ever experienced. Bitcoin is just beginning to build momentum, and it's gearing up for a major run. Let's break this down. Billionaires and ultra-wealthy individuals like Grant and his brother are not just buying Bitcoin for fun, they see it as a massive wealth-building tool. And they're doing it in stealth. They know that Bitcoin is the best hedge against the traditional financial system, which is increasingly unpredictable. Whether it's geopolitical tensions or the ongoing breakdown of traditional financial systems, Bitcoin is being viewed as the safe haven asset of the future. But it's not just the ultra-wealthy who are getting in on the action. The institutional interest in Bitcoin has never been higher, with family offices and institutional investors accelerating their buys. Grant believes that these big players are now eyeing Bitcoin because it's the only asset that provides both stability and upside potential. So, if you've been wondering why Bitcoin's price is still hovering around $100,000, you're not alone. But here's the reality, Bitcoin is not overpriced. In fact, it's still undervalued considering the massive interest from billionaires, family offices, and financial institutions. Grant sees Bitcoin reaching $150,000 or more by the end of the year. And he's confident it could even hit $180,000 soon, and for a simple reason, the asset class is maturing, and everyone is beginning to recognize Bitcoin as the North Star of the financial world. Let's talk about the supply and demand side. Bitcoin's supply is limited, there will only ever be 21 million BTC. But the demand for Bitcoin continues to rise as more individuals, businesses, and even countries start to see its potential. The fact that billionaires are continuing to load up on Bitcoin should tell you everything you need to know. It's no longer just a speculative asset, it's becoming a core part of global reserves. One of the most powerful catalysts for Bitcoin's growth, according to Grant, is the rise of geopolitical tensions. As we see conflicts around the world, more people are looking for alternatives to traditional currency and financial systems. And Bitcoin is stepping in to fill that gap. Grant shares his thoughts on how Bitcoin is positioned to become the Switzerland of the world, a neutral, stable asset that provides individuals with a safe haven in a world full of uncertainty. This geopolitical pressure is only going to push more people to see Bitcoin as a viable option. It's not just a digital currency anymore, it's a global store of value. So, to sum it up, Bitcoin is still the most exciting investment opportunity out there. The ultra-wealthy are getting in, and they're not waiting around. The next few years could be the most profitable time for Bitcoin investors, and you need to act now before it's too late. The way Bitcoin is building momentum, it's clear we're on the edge of a massive breakout. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of the greatest wealth transfer in history. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. The cryptocurrency market is volatile, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Bitcoin, crypto, and everything in between. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Bitcoin is ready for a major breakout? See you in the next video.